Here's some Fermi Paradox trivia. Subscribe. Who formulated the famous paradox in 1950? Is it A. Niels Bohr, B. Richard Feynman, C. Enrico Fermi, or D. Stephen Hawking? The correct answer is C. Enrico Fermi. Which branch of science explores extraterrestrial life? Is it A. Astrobiology, B. Physics, C. Meteorology, or D. Geology? The correct answer is A. Astrobiology. What is the term for our galaxy? Is it A. Milky Way, B. Andromeda, C. Triangulum, or D. Whirlpool? The correct answer is A. Milky Way. What law suggests life should be common? Is it A. Copernican principle, B. Fermi paradox, C. Ptolemaic theory, or D. Gaia hypothesis? The correct answer is A. Copernican principle. What theory relates to advanced civilizations potentially using resources? Is it A. Drake equation, B. Fermi paradox, C. Kardashev scale, or D. Zoo hypothesis? The correct answer is C. Kardashev scale. What equation estimates the number of civilizations? Is it A. Copernican formula, B. Drake equation, C. Fermi paradox, or D. SETI principle? The correct answer is B. Drake equation. Which hypothesis suggests we're alone due to life's rarity? Is it A. Cosmic impermanence, B. Stellar biogenesis, C. Rare Earth hypothesis, or D. Universal unity? The correct answer is C. Rare Earth hypothesis. What term describes signals from extraterrestrial civilizations? Is it A. Biologics, B. Cryptosignals, C. Technosignatures, or D. Exoplanet signatures? The correct answer is C. Technosignatures. What is the age of the universe approximately? Is it A. 13.8 billion years, B. 15 billion years, C. 12 billion years, or D. 10 billion years? The correct answer is A. 13.8 billion years. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.